Welcome to CyberTeachers Platinum, your language training solution designed for emotion. This short video will show you how to get started with your personalized program and will give you tips and tricks to maximize your experience and make the most of your e-learning program. Let's get started and connect to the platform. First of all, start by setting up your account. Select your avatar to enter the scoreboarding system and take part in different challenges throughout your language course. In the My Progress tab here, you'll find all the points you've earned, your badges, and your course results in real time. Set your learning goals and check your progress regularly. Let's have a look now at the core of your personalized e-learning solution, My Program. My Program is made up of e-lessons adapted to your language level and your learning objectives. Each e-lesson takes about 30 minutes to complete. In the e-lesson, navigating is simple. Each e-lesson includes at least 10 different learning activities and interactive exercises. They're designed to help you learn new language concepts and to practice in a variety of situations and real-life contexts. Let's have a look at some of the different activities. The squares up at the top of the page are sort of timeline to let you know where you are in the learning process throughout each e-lesson. In each e-lesson, you'll learn with interactive dialogues, voice recognition, videos, and more. Everything here is designed to help you improve your reading, listening, speaking, and writing skills. At the end of each e-lesson, you'll see your success rate for each activity you've completed. Use this information to review your overall understanding and to assess the areas where you need to work more. If you can't finish an e-lesson, don't worry. You can come back at any time and pick up where you left off. Now, let's have a look at the My Resources section. Here, you'll find a wide variety of activities for learning language in context. We all have different learning styles, needs, and objectives. You can pick and choose and adapt these resources to what you need to work on now. Let's look at some examples together. Have you ever been in this situation? My Resources can help. In My Resources, the assistants help you in lots of professional situations to keep you at peak performance. Let's have a look at the Writing Assistant. For example, the Presentation Assistant can help you create the perfect presentation on any topic. So, let's choose Making a Presentation. Start by putting together the parts of your presentation with the right structures and expressions that you can personalize to your own situation. Once your text is ready, click on the speech trainer to practice your pronunciation and intonation for an outstanding presentation.
The aim of my talk is to point out the importance of the new vacation policy.
In My Resources, other assistants are waiting to help you with different business situations. Not really challenged at work? Boring lunch break? Why not use this time to join a live classroom? With the CyberTeachers Live option, you have unlimited access to live, instructor-led conversation classes 24/7 that you can join whenever and wherever you are to practice speaking about business and social topics with learners all over the world. Participating in a class is easy. No pre-enrollment needed. Just join the session at least 2 minutes before the start time. Your coach and the other learners will be there waiting for you. Practice your speaking skills with learners from around the world and make progress while sharing your experiences with people from different cultures. My resources can also help improve your vocabulary in different situations, whatever your business sector or your interests. Yes, my resources can help you. Work on the news is a great way to learn new vocabulary in context. Work on the News offers you articles from the international press on more than 20 social and business sectors every day. You'll definitely find something interesting here. Our pedagogues update this content every day, so your learning experience will never be the same from one day to the next. To work on a document, just choose the article you want or use one of your own documents. Copy and paste the text directly into the window and click on Work on this text and get started with some listening and reading comprehension. The CyberTeachers synthetic voice will read your article out loud. Stuck on a word you don't know? Just double-click to access the quick tools. Once you've read and understood your article, check your understanding of key vocabulary. To go further with your vocabulary, my resources offers even more activities on general and specialized vocabulary. Choose the best way for you to learn and enrich your vocabulary. Any time of day is a good time to learn. Wherever you are, accessing CyberTeachers is easy. CyberTeachers Platinum is available on all devices. And the CyberTeachers app has even more micro-learning exercises. Download the app for free and connect with your regular ID and password. Take advantage of every moment to make progress. Before we leave you to enjoy CyberTeachers, here are some tips to make the most of your experience. CyberTeachers Platinum is equipped with a powerful search engine. Use it to find key learning activities when you need them. We recommend working with CyberTeachers Platinum for at least an hour and a half each week. For best results, complete 2 e-lessons and about 30 minutes in My Resources. If you have access to our live options, participate in at least one live classroom too. And if you work even more, you'll make even faster progress. Complete your training by downloading the free app and take CyberTeachers with you wherever you go. Okay, now you're ready to start your unique learning experience with CyberTeachers Platinum. Learn well, learn fast, and above all, learn fun. See you soon.